In this video I'm going to show you how to upload your reels at the highest quality possible. You want to open up Instagram, go to your profile, click on the top right to open the hamburger menu, click on settings and privacy, scroll down until you see data usage and media quality, and you want to enable upload at highest quality. This means that always upload the highest quality videos even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, we'll automatically adjust upload quality to fit network condition. So you just want to turn this on and all of your future stuff will be uploaded at the highest quality. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe if this video helped you out. If it didn't, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching this video.